In today's video, I will guide you on how to uninstall program apps on Windows PC. There are two different ways which you can do that, and the process are very simple. First, come to this place, type in control panel, click on this one, come to make sure that you are under category like icon or any other, but I prefer using the category here. Click on category, then click on this button, programs, install program. Once you click on that button, it comes out like this. Now you have access to every software you installed in your PC. So here I want to uninstall this one. Click on it, come to this place, click on uninstall. Now it comes out like this. Click on this to delete setting history, then click on install here. Now wait a few seconds for this to be uninstalled from your device. Now you can right click and refresh. You see that data has been taken away from this place. This is the first way to uninstall any app or program from your Windows PC. The second process is simple as that. Come to this place, click on this icon, this start icon, click on settings. Now here click on apps at this side. Now click on installed app on your device, or once you click on that, wait a few seconds for this to load up. Now you need to carefully check every app you have installed here and uninstall any of these app that you don't want again. So let me carefully look at this and remove any of these app that I don't want on my device. Now this real office, I want to uninstall it, and it's taking about 1.1 gig on my device. So click on this three dot here, click on uninstall, click on uninstall again. Wait a few seconds for it to be uninstalled from your device. That will be taken away from your device. So if you have any other apps that you want to uninstall, then you can use these two formats to uninstall such app from your device. And that's it, guys. You've been able to uninstall apps from your device in two different ways without wasting time. If you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.